HISD Now is at Lawson Middle School all this week as part of our Campus Close-Up series. Now, this is a school that's known for its fine arts program. I'm gonna go talk to the band director who I hear is doing a lot with this program. Let's go.
So when I came here, I was told that I had a lot of students that were loving music. They loved percussion, they loved drumline, they loved just being a part of the program. So I came in and I wanted to kind of supplement that progress with an actual band program, incorporate people who like guitar, jazz, choir, you know, really tap into the kids' interests to see what I could provide for them. This is a band elective class, which has a marching band, and we're growing it. We're trying to beef it up, you know, build the kids up so that we can go out and perform and really showcase the school in a different light. Getting a band booster together, so getting the parents involved, that's the pinnacle of the support system that students need, is a band booster. I was told that this area in general is really rich in like a marching band culture, a musical culture, so really bringing that to the school and getting them to know what we have here to build it. So many things outside of just the discipline of music. It helps with intelligence, soft skills, interpersonal skills, so I highly encourage all students to do music, no matter what it is.